Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Android version and installing Widgetsmith or a compatible alternative from the Play Store. Once done, open Settings and grant required permissions so widgets can read images and run overlays. Next, create a basic placeholder widget on the app to ensure it appears in the widget picker. This proves the app can deliver content to your home screen. Doing this first prevents permission blockers later and speeds up the design steps that follow. Now you design the widget itself. Pick the size that fits your home screen grid because size impacts what content looks good. Then select the content type, photo for images, calendar for events, or text for quick notes, and customize fonts, colors, and padding so the widget reads clearly. Make sure to set a refresh interval if you rely on dynamic data. This balances battery and updates. Once configured, save the template so you can duplicate it quickly for multiple screens. Finally, add the widget to your home screen by long pressing an empty area, choosing Widgets, and placing the Widgetsmith entry. After placement, resize and tap the widget to bind the saved template or tweak its settings. This connects the visual element to your configured content. If the widget fails to appear or shows a blank tile, reboot your device, regrant storage and overlay permissions, and if necessary, reinstall the app. This resolves most permission and cache.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.